In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a project from Slingshot from scratch. So within my workspace, which is your highest level of hierarchy over here, I'm going to come to my project tab and I'm going to add a project. And you do have the options for templates, but for this video, we're going to do a blank project. And I'm going to give my project a name. So let's say we have a whole new system that we are launching. So we are migrating to a new system. And this project has a clear start date, and I know that my team needs to start this September. And then our end date is we need to finish this by the end of the year. So I will click end of the year. And this project, I can give a description up here. I can set the status automatically, or as I'm kind of managing my projects, I can kind of set the status that way within the screen back here that you see. So we'll leave it as none. And for this project, I actually don't need dashboards, so I'm going to turn them off. I know we need our overview and our tasks for managing our migration. We need to have conversations and documentation all around this migration. So I'm going to keep these tabs on. And I'm going to click create. Now I can add everybody else that is a part of this project that I need to kick off right into this project here. And then if I don't know right now and I want to get it set up and add them later, I can do that as well. So I'll click the close. And you can see my start date and due date is here. And I have all of the available tabs that I kept on to now build out my project. So in your overview, it'd be really good to pin maybe like the project brief for this migration right to the overview so everybody has quick access to it. In my tasks, here's where you can build your full work back plan for how you are migrating from one system to the other. You can have set discussions within here as you kind of go through this process with your team. And then your pins are where you can keep all of your documentation and your URL links and your content and everything right in one organized place for your new project.